everybody, we've made it to day 9 of the One Zentangle a Day course, and the author has changed things up a little. Instead of learning new patterns, we're going to try creating Zentangles on a black tile with white ink. Now, I don't have any black tiles, but I do have a black alcohol marker and the will to improvise. So let's get this party started. Okay, I'm going to break from regular format to talk about what's happened here for a second. Because I feel like this is really crappy. And it is, because this is the first time I'm really working with this jelly roll, and it just doesn't work like the other microns that I usually use. It doesn't cover well, so like filling in solid spaces is kind of hard, and you can see that in these areas. It got a little better with the smaller space, but a lot of times the pen is just like dragging back through the white ink and scraping it off the paper. So I find that like if you want to do tonal values or something, instead of straight out shading it, you just need to fill it with lines, kind of like I did up here, and it works better. So some of these things, I mean, they still look pretty neat, and I want to try this again. So this is practice. I am going to set up another sheet of black to work on, maybe a little smaller area in the interest of time, and try it again and see if I can't get a better result. Okay, be right back.